Let's be honest, being in business is not exactly easy. And if you're in the allied health profession or a professional services business, you know exactly what I mean. There's always something keeping you up at night, whether it's a cash flow crunch, team dramas, or just being that one step away from feeling like you've burnt out. Let's call out the three biggest worries that business owners face. And the first one being the cash flow crunch, that sinking feeling at the end of the month. Have you got enough left over to pay the team and keep the lights on? Team headaches. You've built a team, but it still feels like everything is landing on your shoulders and you're struggling to balance leadership with being an amazing technician and your family life. You feel like you're stuck in the middle, solving everybody's problems every day. And the third that I don't think gets spoken enough about, which is burnout and loss of control. Like you are always on. And it's not why you went into business to start with. You went into to make a difference and to fulfill a purpose. But as time has gone on, that dream seems to be getting further and further away. So here's the bad news. If you don't tackle these three major worries, you're going to be stuck where you are right now. But there is some good news. You don't have to stay stuck where you are, and you don't have to guess about what the solutions are. I've helped dozens of clients just like you where you are today. Just like one of my clients who was always stressed about cash, always worried about paying the bills, to the point where she would pay bills early just to make sure that she's staying on top of her bills. So we put in place a simple forecasting tool for her. So she had confidence to know that in the future, she always had enough cash to cover all of her expenses. And she also knew when to spend money and when not to spend money. Or the practice owner was always worried that his team would never step up. So we got some disc behavior analysis, and we looked at everybody's strengths and how as a team they came together and how we use individual strengths, and knowing where they are within the team, it just released everybody and everybody rose. So instead of trying to fix his team, we figured out a way of getting his team to gel better once they knew how everybody in that team worked together. And let's talk about burnout. When you finally break that cycle, you can move a lot faster towards the purpose and the impact that you wanted to have. And that's why you went into business to start with. I don't know anybody who is suffering from burnout who can service their community when they're feeling that way. And it's just a struggle to turn up every day, and let alone how your family life is suffering and how you just don't feel at your best. At the Fix My Business Worries workshop, you're going to get practical tactics and not theory of how you can address these problems. We'll pinpoint exactly what's holding your business back. You'll learn simple but proven strategies that nail cash flow, to build a team, and to avoid or break that burnout cycle. You will walk away with a clear action plan that you can implement immediately and get instant results. Imagine what it'd be like to just stop worrying about money. Have this dream team that can think for themselves and buy in to your passion and why you're in business for yourself. Finally, you can avoid that burnout cycle or break it if you feel like you're stuck in it. Real growth happens when you are prepared to do the things that you want to avoid the most. So here's my invitation. I'd love you to come to my next workshop, which will be a online Zoom meeting. It's absolutely free, but you have to be an allied health entrepreneur or a professional services business. We're going to fix the three biggest worries give you clarity and confidence for you to take the next step. There is no selling. I do have an offer for you. It's an offer that is so good, it's unbelievable, but you just have to wait and see. There's no cost involved to you. So if you're ready to start feeling confident about your future, if you're ready to address the things that you know you should, but you've been avoiding, and if you're ready to really go on a personal transformation into this amazing entrepreneur that I believe you are, so that you can have the impact that you want to have on your community, you must join our group. It's a small group. There's only 10 seats available. So click on the link below. I really would like to be a small part of your journey and share with you some of the things that I've learned over my career. So remember, guys, move it. Click the link and let's meet. Goodbye for now.